Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how we run a validity test. Okay, so in this case, I have got my mile-and-a-half data and I've predicted these individuals' VO2 based on their mile-and-a-half runtime. And let's say on Wednesday we took them in and we had them do their VO2 max test, and this was the VO2 that we got. Okay, so here's Fred, and in the mile-and-a-half, Fred got 25 predicted VO2, predicted VO2, and he got an actual VO2 on the Bruce treadmill test of 23 and so forth. Okay, so I want to know if my mile-and-a-half run is a valid measure. So I said you run a correlation. So you guys have done correlations. You're going to go to here to analyze. You're going to go to correlate. You're going to go to bivariate. And I'm going to move these variables over. And my Pearson is selected because the type of data that I have. And I'm going to click OK. So my correlation is output. And you can see here, this is a significant correlation because it's less than 0.05, and here is my correlation coefficient, so 0.79. So in other words, there's a significant relationship between the mile-and-a-half run and the VO2 max. So what I've just done is I have now validated my mile-and-a-half run, saying, guess what? You know what? This is a great tool to use. I can test 20 people versus one at a time, and I can run them on the mile-and-a-half and get a predicted VO2. So that's one way that you would assess validity of an instrument.